What's up, guys? My name is Braxton Chapman. Today we're going to be reviewing a brush I've been wanting to review for a while. If you've been natural for a while, you've heard of this brush. So I'm really excited to review it because I've never seen one, I've never used one, I've never held one until now. We're going to try to analyze it and see how much we can get off of first impression. Ready? And go. So I'm loving the look of this brush so far. It does look like it's higher quality than most brushes. Let's check out the length real quick. We're looking at 8.5 inches. It's not very heavy. It fits good in the hands. It's a hard plastic material. It's not cheap plastic, so I could probably throw this against the wall as hard as they can. I don't think it'll break. Yeah, that's not gonna pop. What's really cool about this brush is that it's actually kind of angled. So I'm guessing they thought about the ingenuity of it in aiding the grip. So not only is it curved right here in that little palm, it fits right in that palm just like that. And the thumb just rests right in that little curve right there. But it's also angled in, so probably to help that brush string. Even though I usually hold the base when I brush, I usually hold up here. But if you're someone who does hold down here, then that's really nice. It's a really nice feel. It's very comfortable. Sturdy bristles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 9-row version. The labeling on this is beautiful. The DENMAN looks rich. That looks like a rich logo. See over here on the top and on the bottom. This is made in the UK. Black is very smooth. Curious to see if oils will make this real slippery because of how smooth it is, but I don't think that's gonna be too big of an issue as far as brushing out your hair. Again, love the colors. Love the white to the pink to the black to the gold. Beautiful brush. Fantastic. I see why it is a fan favorite. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Except for my first impressions, I do recommend this so far. I love the look of it. I love the feel of it. And it's not very expensive. So with that said, let's go to the next section and we're going to try actually using this product and see how well it does what it's supposed to do, which is simply just brush my hair and detangle.
We're back on the beat. Purchase your track today.
So I'm very happy with the results. I see why everybody loves this brush. It worked flawlessly, made my hair look beautiful and big. One of the best things about this brush is how well it flexes towards your hair when you're brushing it out. I'll leave a link in the description for you to get it. It's only $21. If you haven't gotten one of these before, check it out. Buy it off of Amazon because I know if you have Prime, then you get free returns. So if you don't like it, send it back. But I highly recommend you check this out. Thank you, DENMAN, for producing this product. I'm going to be using it every time I brush my hair. To all those who's new to my channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. It really does inspire me a lot to produce more content for you. If you have any questions, please comment. And for those who read those comments and understand or have an answer to those questions before I get to them, go ahead and answer them. Help each other out down there. I appreciate you for coming, and thank you so much for watching. I love you all very much. See you next time.